Okay, so after the first layer dry, I add on in there the second layer of resin and just let that dry for 24 hours before I go back in there and add on in there the final layer. Or is this still the first layer? I don't know. No, this is the second layer. I'm pretty sure. I had some resin spill over, so I just cutting it up. And now I'm just pressing down on the snake skin so that the bubbles that's underneath it can just rise up, and then I can just pop it real quick. And yeah, making sure that it looks good. And it does. And now it's time for the final layer of resin. Just pour it all the way up. I think this part I should have done in separate layers. Just add a small amount, let it dry, and keep on doing it till it fill all the way up, because it has a ton of bubbles and a ton of cracks. So yeah. And now you're just watching all of the bubbles just forming into the center. Then I'm just going to use my lighter to pop all of it. And some of them are already popping themselves, so that's good. I'm just pressing down on the snake skin because there's a ton of bubbles that's underneath there. I need it to come all the way up to the top, so that's what I'm doing right there. Now I can just use my lighter. And that's it. Doesn't have. And I'm just gonna wait 24 hours for it to dry, and then just pop it out of the mold and just add on in there the little tiny clock that I got, and that's that. So after 24 hours, this is how it looks. Some bubbles came up after I thought it was good, and then some resin light just formed over. A whole mess in the back. But yeah. Trying to get it out of the mold. Perfect. The front part of it looks good, but it's the side and the back that's an absolute mess. I should have added on in there more snake skins, but I can always remake it. You can see the bubbles. Ugh. Such a mess. I think I should put a snake skin in the resin first before I place it in the mold. So I will try it again. Let's add on in there a little clock. I don't have it set or anything yet. So just pop it on in there, and that's how it looks. Looks pretty good. And here's a better look of it up close and personal. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Who knows what I will make next. Thanks for watching. Bye.